Bhagavate Vasudevaya, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Shantakaram Bhujagashayanam Padmanabham Suresham Vishwadaram Ganasadasham Meghavarnam Shubhangam Lakshmikantam Kamalayanam Yogi Vidyanagamyam Vande Vishnu Veram Sarvalokikanatham. Om Vishnu Vishnu Vishnu. Guru Guru Tama Dhamma. Dhamma. Dhru Dharati means to stay. Where you stay is Dham. In general, Dham is considered as a dwelling, but mostly sacred dwelling. The connotation is sacred dwelling. Govinda Dham, Swarga Dhama. Any kind of Dham you say, it's considered from that angle. And from Dhamma also came the doctrine of Dhamma. Dhamma. What stays? Dharma is also Dharma which contains Dhru. Dhru means again sustains. So there are so many little words here and there that have very similar meaning with DHA, the, in that word, in that particular word. So Dhamma is a Nivasthan. Dhamma, where does he reside? Answers Satya. Satya Parakrama. He resides in the truth. Dharma Pratik. And Sat, meaning Sat, there's another word that we know very well. It's called Sattva. Sattvic. We know all the meaning of all this. Sattvic means true. It is not clear or clean or no. Sattvic means it's true to what? True to the nature. True to the nature of its own things. For example, if we get an organic fruit or vegetable, it's sattvic if it is in its true form. If you treat it, if you do some inorganic stuff in a chemical treatment, all that stuff, it's not sattvic anymore. So sattva is also the element of whatever is present in its characteristic. If I hand you a banana and you eat it and it tastes like mango, what will happen? You will eat the banana and you say, oh, wait a minute, there is something not right. So this is what happens when you have dissociation from its properties. Now these properties are belonging to a particular nature, particular person and situation. However, the next word that they're using is very good. It's called Satya Parakrama. It's not only Satya, it's not the element, but we're going beyond that. How do you say that? Satya Parakrama. A true par means beyond. Par and kram is a sequence. Para means beyond. Para, you have heard about para, para shakti and para, apara. So para means beyond. Para krama. Krama means sequence or various steps. Supposing you have 8 steps to go climb your to the first floor, or 10 steps, whatever it is. That's your kram. That's your steps. And parakram means beyond the steps. Beyond the steps means you are going beyond the limit, stretching the limit. Parakram only means one thing. Parakram does not mean anything, It just means your own limit. Today, if I'm able to lift up 10 pounds of weight, tomorrow I go to 15 pounds, I have parakram. So you can become parakrami anytime by stretching yourself, by cutting down your sleep, for example. Just these are a couple of small examples. And if I eat 6 laddus regularly, and if I ate 10 laddus, it may be parakram in one sense, but parakram may go in a different direction. So you gotta, limit is a limit, and you gotta watch the limits in different levels. You know, what the limit of your physical level, mental level, emotional level, and there are limits to everything, and that's why the life has limits. But then advance beyond limits, Satya Satya Parakrama, and that is the Vishnu Tattva that helps you do that. That's the idea here. The idea is that this is the good, and because it's Guru Gurutama, that's the idea. Because it's Guru Gurutama, it's all listed in sequence that way. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate Om Shanti Shanti